I'm AJ.
And this is Dumb Luck Customs. Alright guys, first time we're gonna do something a little stupid.
Hello YouTube. So today we will be doing an Evry mod on the W210 OM606. This, from what we've read, works on some OM606s and not others. So this is kind of a disclaimer. Do this at your own risk. We will be cutting wires and splicing in resistors. So here's some of the basic things you're going to need to do the Evry mod. We got wired connectors, butt connectors. We got multimeter, electrical tape, a switch if you want to run a switch. We will be. Some wire tools, wire loom, and a very important potentiometer. This one is a 5 ohm resistance.
5 ohm.
And some wire. So right here, he's just pulling back the jacket in a small area so we can do a continuity test from that wire to pin 6 and 7 inside the connector over here for the injection pump.
And if they are not the right wires, you can use RVT or heat shrink, you know, liquid electrical tape, and just
seal these
right back up. There it is. Bam. All right. Time for the voltmeter.
So we have the multimeter set for a continuity check.
And we are going to go to 6 right there, put it in, kind of pull it to the side a little bit. Now we're going to touch. Nothing. 6 is red. So we're going to go 7 right next to it. And hopefully, bam, we just found our 2 wires that we need to splice. Okay, so we need to cover how to set up your potentiometer. When you're setting it up, you're going to check the ohms for the actual set resistance, if it is adjustable. Center and over here on this particular model is how you tell your exact set ohms. The far ones actually tell the max of the potentiometer. And one way we do it, which is a little unorthodox, is we push these little wires on over these, and we'll just silicone them on, and it's been working for us
very carefully.
Very carefully. We're just trying to show you how to get it done. And then what you do is the 2 outer ones you're going to put together and put a blade on it, and then the other single wire will have a blade. One side goes to the switch, and then the other side of that switch goes to the wiring harness, and then that's how you link it so it can be on and off. All right guys, so we got the potentiometer hooked up. We got the 2 into 1 right here, and here, if you want to back up, AJ, I'm going to show them what it does. For you, and I'm going to show you how sensitive it is with this specific potentiometer. It's actually set a little bit higher than what is recommended. So I'm going to barely touch the throttle. Is like the safe zone. Anything higher than that, you start getting a lot of fuel like what we have right now. And it gets to the point where you can't drive it, put it that way. If I go any more than quarter throttle, it throws it into limp mode and you have to reset your codes. Guys, that is how you do an Evry mod on a 99 W210 606.